All right, so here in this is a very small video, just to point out something if you have missed it. So sitting on a Linux system, it requires utmost care. In other words, you are supposed to maintain stuff what you have in your system. So to do that, you have to have some sort of organization skill via some tool, some other method. But the bottom line is that you have to be organized to get things under your fingertip when you need it. So here in this video, I'm going to touch upon a small thing just to give you a hint that you could do so. I did for a specific thing with some specific tool. You could use some other tools some other way. This is just to take away that you have to be organized enough to get things under your fingertips when you need it most. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I have just babbled to you right now, let me go to my terminal. I believe I am zoomed in up so people can see. So essentially, most of you, I spend my majority of time on terminal due to the nature of the work or something like that. So to take advantage while sitting on terminal, I tap readline keys, GNU readline keys, which help to get some key binding on terminal to access a specific um, function or app particularly. Here I bind some key to get enlisted my git repo. So all I do escape gp. You see, I have impressed with a tool which I made a video of last week. So here are the bunch of git repositories I have in my system. So what it enlisting the repository, I keep my git repository in one single location in my machine. Like I have some important file in one location in my machine, mirroring to other location to the machine, provided I have enough space on the underlying storage. So if it is not, generally I keep my related files in a particular place so I can easily look through and find it when I require it. In this case, I pointed out all my git repos. I put it in a particular place and I tap a tool called fzf. So it's showing all these things. You see, I've been selected a particular, in this case GCC. Okay, so if I press enter, it's simply in the background pulling in that repository and showing me the log of the particular repository via fzf, right? So this is one of the thing which could help. So this is, I'm doing this video just to give you a sense that little bit of organization can help your productivity. Don't look at it literally that what I'm doing. I'm just trying to give you a sense that you have to be a little bit organized in, if you are sitting on a Linux system, whether it's server, whether it's desktop, whether it's laptop, doesn't matter. Because in a nature, open source system, most of the things are getting scattered, although developers try things to put in a specific place. But when you try to get things of your own, it generally gets scattered through the system. So you have to figure it out which thing has to be go where. So maintainability is a big part of using open source and Linux. So I'm just giving you an instance here how to enlist the git repos in your machine and seeing it via some automation. as simple as that, right? So this is, as you see, I'm taking advantage of a particular tool. You could use another tool, doesn't matter really. So, and if I grep it out, my because I use escape and GP to see my Git repos in the system, and it, as I mentioned very early in the video, that I'm taking advantage of genuine readline. Input RC is the file in under your home directory where you bind your key bindings, readline key bindings to access a specific application on terminal. Clear? So this is the place where I put my keys for this specific purpose. I press escape and GP. You see, I'm grabbing GP from that particular file. See, I called up a script which is named find git repos, and then I cleared the screen, get back to the home directory and cleared the screen. All I did, you \E, that is for escape, pressing escape, then GP. Like if you want to use control or alt, you have to provide that kind of key before the actual key press to access specific functionality or application. So genuine readline has got all lot of built-in keystroke too. I made a video about it. Go back to the channel and have a look at it. It should be explicit and clear. I'm not going to repeat that thing again and again in a different video. So here now this is an abject ordinary stuff. See, it has got nothing, a simple 3-4 lines. I iterate over a bunch of directory git repos and enlisting. While doing, I just a series of command git pull and then show the log. When I'm showing the part you probably interested, the third command git search log, which show the preview window with the this is the stuff, parsing git log. So nothing complicated is going on here. These are all little stuff which is knit together to produce something which should be very easy to access when you need it fast, need it when things required. So this is the way you need to manage your system. So before I let you go, I try the same thing one more time. This is an example. Not necessarily you need to follow the same exact route. The bottom line of this, to get so if I do in the car repository, it's oh really? So let me take you to the same route, so you should not get confused then. So this is just an example. So likewise, I have my what else? I have my, see, my config file are enlisted. If I press one of them, it will get open up in a see. So now likewise, I have my other stuff. So something like that, you need to organize, you need to have some sort of method to get along with the environment you are operating day-to-day basis. Okay, so I put together stuff where some keystroke will bring me up what I needed. So this is how I roll on. So I am doing this video in a hope that somebody might take a cue out of it and implement in a much better way, or put something according to their understanding, their environment. So life will get much easier, much better. Okay. So I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.